Car Update brings you the latest insights on the 2025 Honda Civic, a car that continues to set the standard for reliability, style, and performance. This new model refines everything that makes the Civic a fan favorite while introducing modern technology and advanced safety features. With a sleek, aerodynamic design and bold front grille, the 2025 Civic stands out on the road. Its LED headlights and taillights not only enhance visibility but also add to its premium appeal. The sculpted body lines give it a sporty yet sophisticated look, making it a head-turner in any setting. Inside, the 2025 Civic offers a spacious and tech-focused cabin. A digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, providing seamless connectivity. The premium audio system enhances the driving experience, while the comfortable seats and high-quality materials give it a refined touch. Honda has also prioritized safety with the latest version of Honda Sensing, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic comes with multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient naturally aspirated engine and a turbocharged variant for those who crave extra power. The hybrid model offers an eco-friendly choice without compromising performance. The improved suspension and precise steering make for a smooth and engaging drive, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Fuel efficiency remains a key highlight, with impressive mileage figures that make the Civic a great choice for both daily commutes and long road trips. The cargo space is generous, making it practical for families and individuals alike. Additionally, Honda has focused on sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly materials in the interior and improving overall efficiency. The 2025 Honda Civic continues its legacy of reliability, combining cutting-edge technology, stylish design, and exceptional performance. Whether you're looking for a practical daily driver or a sporty sedan with a fun driving experience, the Civic delivers on all fronts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Car Update for more detailed car reviews, latest automotive news, and in-depth feature breakdowns. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Civic.